In this video, I'll show you how to use Agoda for booking a hotel. To do this, first just head over to agoda.com and make sure it's set to hotels right here. So then here set the location you want to go to. For example, I'll just set it to Greece. And then from there set the dates. Then choose who is visiting, so how many rooms do you need and how many adults and children. So I'll just keep it to 1 room, 2 adults, and click search. Now from there, a list will pop up. Now I recommend doing a few more filters. For example, you probably don't want to pay nearly 10,000 euros per night. So then you can just drag this down, or you can type in right here how much you want to spend. Then you have a few more popular filters, for example, air conditioning, free cancellation, etc. Then you can set the property type to hotel if you want to book an hotel. And you have a few more filters, such as the neighborhood, the guest rating, star rating, room amenities, etc. So for example, if I would like to book this one, you can just click on it, view the pictures, and if you think it looks nice, then what you can do is click view property. Then it will open it in a new tab. Now from here, just go and click on view this deal. And then here, if it's a hotel, you can see the different suites and rooms that they have. For example, the superior suite, etc. Then just choose whichever one you want to do. For example, I'll just do this one at the top. And then click on book now. And then from there, it's going to redirect you to the actual booking page. So here you have the overview. So what are you booking and when are you booking it? So then to confirm it, simply go and enter your first and last name, email address, phone number, and country or region of residence. Then you can have any special requests. So which type of room would you prefer? I'll just go non-smoking. Which bed setup would you prefer? And you also have additional preferences. You can also write something yourself. And then just click next, final step, and there you will need to enter your payment details. And from there you can see that the booking is confirmed. So that's how to use Agoda for booking a hotel. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.